Show us a recipe for Amish cough syrup. Are y'all just making this up or is this a real thing? Let's go check it out. Sure enough, page 89. Page 89, Amish cough syrup and throat drops. All the information you need, the ingredients, how to make it, dosaging. They even got their cough drops on the back. That's all found in this book right here, The Amish Ways. I'm gonna be honest, the Amish got it going on. Amish poor man's steak, forever butter. Amish even got their own antibiotics. If you love DIY projects, especially being self-sufficient, this is a book you need to check out. I'm pretty sure they're running a flash sale right now and offering free shipping. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out yourself.